Okay, here we are inside the home. We're getting ready to clean the inside of the window here. You should have already emptied out your holster bucket. You should have already put on your drip guard and wrung out your washing wand sleeve. The first thing you're going to do is go ahead and just scrub the window. Next, you're going to bring out your squeegee. You want to bring that over top your washing wand to the glass so that there's no dripping going on. Go ahead and squeegee the window. You want to leave your washing wand down below so that it's catching all the water. Now, my squeegee's like pretty wet here, so I definitely want to bring it back across so that the water doesn't drip off my squeegee onto the floor. Detail the window. Open it up. Wipe out the tracks. My tracks are pretty clean to begin with. This only needed a basic wipe down, which comes with my service. I charge more if they want to have a full track cleaning with the vacuum and brushing and everything like that, but most customers are happy with just a simple wipe down. Put that back down, lock it. Then you want to go ahead and wipe up here on the top of the frame. This will often be really dusty and dirty. They haven't had their windows cleaned in 6 months to a year. And then you would go ahead and then put down the blinds. But before I do that, I want to show you one other thing. So that you're not running back and forth to your bucket every so many windows when your washing wand dries out from cleaning the windows. You want to have your clean water in your bottle here with the flip top to wet the window and wash it like that. That comes in real handy because if you don't have this, you know, after about 4 windows, 5 windows, you're going to have to go back to the front of the house and re-wet your washing wand so that you can keep cleaning with fairly clean water. Otherwise, you're going to have a really dry washing wand. It's going to be really dirty, and then it's going to probably streak the glass when you're cleaning. So this helps prevent that. If it's, you know, a house with like 20 windows, 30 windows, you might not have to go back out and rinse this out at all. If it's a bigger house, you might go one time, rinse this out, get it all nice and clean again, and then come back in and keep going. So this bottle here is a time saver. It's gonna save you a lot of time of running back and forth, which means just cutting down your time on cleaning the entire house. And the more ways you can find to cut down on the time, then the faster you can get done with the house, maintain the same quality, and then be able to take another job for the day, whether it's a house or a commercial building or a storefront, and make more money and make your way to $100,000 or more a year.